So we have blown headlights. And they went down into my description of any video. And they got these, what are these? Auxito LED light bulbs. And now it's time to install them. So if you need them, they'll be down in the description. Any video that you see will be down in the description. We're going to need H11s and H9s. For some reason, I guess they might be all the same connector. I don't know, but we'll get it. It's not a terribly difficult job. Just someone's already been here. It's missing a lot of stuff. So let's just. And I'm gonna start over here on the passenger side, but you can do, either or. We gotta remove 1, 2, and 3 of these little. That should be it. We'll see. So what I did was I just jacked up the vehicle a little bit just to give myself some extra wiggle room in there, so I don't have to take off the tire or turn the wheels or anything like that. Now that I'm able to pull this back, really you just want to look for that bolt right there, which is just holding on this. Which is completely rusted in there, unfortunately. And I could tell someone's been here because that bolt's kind of rounded. So that's unfortunate for me, but I need 2 hands. So here's that bolt. Yeah, like I said, it just needs to free this up right here. And I'm gonna go do the exact same thing on the other side. So like I said, it's just 3 of those, 2 of those screws, just enough to pull this out. And I think once that's free, we need that bolt right there. This top part, it's done from when you do the beginning. And then we need to there's one more. We'll find that once we get the other side off. So I'll start with the driver's side, which, like I said, now that this is all free, there's one right here. $10mm, by the way. We're just going to come in here, twist it left. There we go. And then you can just squeeze out the 2 sides. Pull that bulb out. Here's what the new bulb looks like. Same thing, line up the 3 tabs, twist it to the right. And then there's one right back here. We're gonna do the same thing. Left. Probably can't see anything, I apologize, but you get it. It's the same exact process. They're the same bulbs. So So these are the normal headlights. Now before we get everything, you know, put back together, you want to test this. So that's what the new LEDs look like. And here's what the old dingy stock bulbs look like. So, okay, so that's done. Let's move on to the high beams. So right here is the stock high beams. You know, not terrible. Okay, and here's what the new LED look like. Oh my God, they hurt. They hurt to even look at. That's the difference between the two. Like I said, these bulbs, they come with everything. They come with, your high beams will come with the inverter. Comes with a nice pair of gloves. That's why I highly recommend these bulbs. They last a very long time. Again, this is the only thing I install, so definitely check them out. So let's get this side button back up and we'll move on to the passenger. All right, so yeah, both sides are done. I already got the bumper put back on. This side was just as easy. Just the 2 bolts, same thing. I just had to peel this side back. And okay, I got the bumper realigned. Now, best thing to do, best tip, put on the bumper, start with this section right here, get it up, and you make sure you get these holes lined up as best possible, but see if I can pull this out far enough so you can see it. Get you some light. There you go. See that gap right there? You just gotta start off by lifting the bumper from the bottom, lift it up until, I can't do it with one hand, unfortunately. So, but anyways, yeah, you gotta maneuver it up so that it fits down in there. You get snapped, and you come back and do this side, and then the rest of the bumper will kind of line up by itself. I mean, I still gotta shift everything over to the passenger side real quick, but let's take a look to see what the headlights look like. And these are the headlights.